Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Welcome back to my channel once again, and today we are discussing something that seems insignificant but very, very significant, and that is when somebody say Assalamu Alaikum. When somebody say Assalamu Alaikum, the person, he or she, is sending blessings from the Almighty to you. And most of the time, our brothers and sisters in Islam, most of the time our brothers in Islam in Nigeria used to say okay. Somebody will say Assalamu Alaikum, you say how are you? Somebody say Assalamu Alaikum, you say top. Somebody say Assalamu Alaikum, you say okay. Do we really know the meaning of this Assalamu Alaikum? Assalamu Alaikum is somebody praying for you that may the peace and blessings of Almighty Allah be upon you, and this is one of the best form of greeting in life. Assalamu Alaikum, may the peace of the Almighty be with you. And it's how are you? You did not even say amen. You did not even say reply, because in the real sense you are supposed to reply the salama. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Also unto you may the peace of the Almighty be upon you. This is the formal way of accepting the salama and also returning the salama. But most of our brothers in Islam in Nigeria, even sometimes those people of knowledge even make this mistake. They say Assalamu Alaikum, they say Yawwa. Assalamu Alaikum, Yawwa. It is very, very bad. When somebody sends you blessing, you send the blessing back to the person, because this is how Allah has written it. And there is a grievous sin towards it. If somebody say Assalamu Alaikum unto you and you refuse to answer, on the day of judgment, you are going to pay back. And where will you pay back? How will you pay back? Then they will use all your good deeds and replace that salama and give it to the person. So these are little things that we really need to be very, very cautious of, so that we will be blessed. Thank you for watching this video. Until I see you in my next video. Assalamu Alaikum.